Maharashtra DSE CAP Round 3 vacant seat allotment is going to be released today, 2nd of September. Probability of timing 1 will be between 3 to 4 pm, and if still it does not releases, don't worry, by late night surely they will available you nearly between 7 to 8 pm. So probability is that by 7 to 8 pm you are going to get for the round 3 vacant seat. And if you are watching this video after releasing of it, nothing you have to do. You have to open the browser, type there dsc2024.mahaset.org.in. You will be redirected to its homepage. There you will get the link. Surely after releasing, they will provide you the pop-up link on the home page. Click on that link and simply you have to enter your credentials. So this was the update for the DSE CAP Round 3 vacant seats. And for more updates, you can subscribe us.